Okay, students, see the third question. Any equilibrium reaction is given means we can write Kc. This is a way to write Kc. I just substitute the value here. Okay. Then I'm going to simplify. Understood? You just substitute the value. Then here, how to simplify. This will be what? 2 square, no? So what? 2 square, 4. Understood? Then this is what? 10 power minus 6. Understood? This will be what? Then you keep as it is into 1.5. Okay. Into 10 power minus 4. Understood? Divided by 10 power minus 8. Are you following? Okay. So I'll write it here. Then you just remember 4 into this one, 4 into 1.5. I'll write it here. 4 into 1.5, 6 into, this, just see. 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 10. Understood? Divided by, 10 power minus 8. Understood? Then just imagine yourself, when 10 power minus 2 present in denominator, when it goes to numerator, it becomes what? 10 power minus 2. So 6 into 10 power minus 2. Therefore, what? 6, 10 power minus 2 outright. 10 power minus 2 outright minus 2. Understood? Okay. Then this is 1 by 100. No. So answer is what? 0. This is considered as 0.006. Understood? So among this, A is the correct one. Are you following? I simply substitute. Okay. Product by reactant. Then substitute the values, you can get Kc. Okay. It's a simple one. It's a very simple sum. Okay. Now see the next one. Relationship between Kp and Kc for the following reaction is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. It's a equation. We are going to relate Kp and Kc. So we have one formula for that. Relation between Kp and Kc is what? You know the formula? The familiar formula. Kp is equal to what? Kp is equal to Kc into RT power delta Ng. Are you following? It's the formula. Okay. What is delta Ng? Change in number of moles of product minus change in number of moles of reactant. Okay. Here we have formula. What's the formula? Delta Ng, nothing but what? Simply just remember Np minus Nr. Are you following? Number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. Here, product how many moles? Product how many moles? Product how many moles? 2 moles. Is it correct or not? Product was 2 moles. Number of moles of product. So therefore what? 2 minus. How many moles? How many moles in reactant side? This is 1 mole. Correct or not? This is 1 mole. This is 3 moles. 1 plus 3, 4 moles. Understood? So what? 2 minus 4, minus 2. You're following? Okay. So you just substitute here. When you substitute here means, delta, therefore what? Kp is equal to Kc RT power, minus 2. Understood? If delta Ng, usually remember, if delta Ng negative means Kp is always what? Delta Ng negative means Kp is always less than Kc. Okay. If delta Ng is positive means Kp is always greater than Kp is always greater than Kc. Understood? Delta Ng is equal to 0 means suppose it is 0 means what? Okay. This suppose here delta Ng. This knowledge you should memorize. 0. If I put 0 means what? Anything power 0, we get 1. So Kp is equal to Kc. Understood? Are you following? Delta Ng is 0, Kp is equal to Kc. Okay. If delta Ng is positive, okay, delta Ng positive. Understood? Positive. Okay. Just remember, it's a positive. Delta Ng positive. Okay. Positive means Kp is greater than Kc. If here in this case I get delta Ng negative, no. Delta Ng negative, no. So I put Kp is less than Kc. Okay. It's not easy. Just remember. Okay. So among the option is what? Kp is less than Kc, no. So this answer. Are you following? Okay. Now see the next one. See that the value of Kc is given. The value of Kc is given what? 48. Understood? So Kc is 48. At a particular instant, the concentration of H2 H2, I2, HI, all the values are given. 0.2, 0.2, 0.6, all the values of the reactant concentration is given. Predict the direction of the reaction. We have to, which side reaction will be proceed. That's our aim. Understood? How to find it means here we have a formula will be there. Suppose here already Kc is given. This one is just memorized. Okay. So Kc, Kc value is given. No, Kc is what? 48. Okay. So here, what's the form? What are the things you have to memorize means? You must know means what? Here Qc means reaction quotient is greater than Kc. Okay. Reverse reaction takes place. You have to memorize this one. Reverse reaction. Okay. If Qc is less than Kc, okay, the forward reaction takes place. I just write forward only. Forward reaction takes place. Okay. So if Qc is equal to Kc, understood? So equilibrium reaction takes place. Equilibrium. Okay, just remember this one. If you know this condition, we can use to solve the sum. Okay. So here already Kc is given. Kc is what? 48 is okay. 48 is given. Now we have to find out the Qc only. Qc how to find out? The same formula. We are writing, product by reactant. Okay. Qc product is what? HI. HI concentration. Okay. Power, 2 by product by reactant. Reactant is what? H2. Here no number of moles, no. So you just write as it is. I2. Understood? I just write product by reactant. That's all. Okay. What's the here? What's the value now? Now I am going to substitute. HI is what? There is HI. HI value is what? Hydrogen iodide value is what? 0.6. Understood? So 0.6 the whole square. Correct or not? Okay, correct. By H2 is what? See H2 0.2. 0.2 into what is I2? That also 0.2. Are you following? Okay, that's all. Now you simplify. How to simplify? This is what? This is 0.6 into 0.6. We can write what? 0.36. Correct or not? 0.2 into 0.2. 0.04. Okay, 0.04. Okay. Multiply both the side by 100. What happened? 36 by 4. What's the answer? 36 by 4. We get answer is 9. Okay. So now compare the value. Kc is 48. Qc is 9. Who is greater? Kc value is greater. No. Kc is 48. No. Kc is 48. Qc is what? 9. So Kc is greater than, here, who is greater? Kc is greater. No, Kc is greater. So Kc is greater means what? The reaction will be proceed only in what? Forward direction. Understood? Kc is where we have 48. Qc is what? 9. So Kc is greater. No, Kc is greater. Then only the reaction proceeds only in forward direction. This condition only just keep in mind. Then only it will be easy to understand. Are you following? This condition is very, very important. Just memorize. Okay. This condition is very, very important. Are you following? Simple sum. I selected only the very simple sums. These are basic in equilibrium chapter. Okay. This you must know this and all. See the sixth question. 2NO2 gives N2O4 plus 60.0 kilojoule. The increase in temperature. Suppose in this equilibrium, if you increase the temperature means which side reaction will be proceed? That's a question. Okay. Usually the plus value means forward is if plus value is given means forward is what? Forward reaction is endo. Suppose minus is given means what? It will be exo. Understood? You just remember. Okay. So I write it here. Okay. If del H is minus negative means what? Okay. Exothermic reaction. If del H is what? Positive means what? Endothermic reaction. Endo. Understood? Endothermic reaction. Understood? Here positive is given. No. Okay. Then only I am saying what? If positive is given, then only I am saying this is called endo. This is called what? This is called exo. Understood? reverse reaction is called XO. Understood? Okay. Now, now we are giving temperature. When you give temperature, which side reaction will be proceed? Suppose here, when you give temperature, this only absorbed heat. Understood? When you give temperature to this equilibrium, so this only absorbs heat. Okay. So if you give temperature, this absorbed heat, then only which side reaction will be proceed? The forward direction will be proceed. Okay. So increase the temperature. See, simply remember, increase the temperature, the end of the room reaction takes place. End of the room reaction means what? The forward reaction takes place. Okay. If you decrease the temperature, what? Exothermic reaction takes place. So the backward reaction takes place. But see the question, increase the temperature. Increase the temperature means this only absorbs heat. Okay. Then only the forward reaction takes place. So answer is what? A. Understood? Favor the formation of N2O4. Understood? Okay. Increase the temperature means endo. Decrease the temperature means XO. Okay. So endo and XO, how to determine the plus value? Okay. This is the plus value is given means endo. If minus is given means this is XO. Understood? Okay. Following? Now see the next one. This is all simple one. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Kc is equal to 0.50 at 673 Kelvin. The equilibrium constant for reverse reaction. Okay. Equilibrium constant for reverse reaction they are asking. Okay. So usually, this one just keep in mind. Usually Kc is equal to 1 by Kc dash. Understood? Okay. Are you following? The formation equilibrium constant and dissociation equilibrium constant are inversely proportional always. Understood? Formation equilibrium constant and dissociation equilibrium constants are inversely proportional. Okay. So the equilibrium constant for reverse reaction they are asking. Okay. So this is considered as a forward reaction is given. Reverse reaction we have to find out. Understood? So I considered, we can say here is called, I consider it's called Kc dash, it's called what? Kc. Understood? Just this two are inversely proportional. Okay. So Kc is given, no. You substitute here 1 by 0.50. Understood? This outright multiply by both the side by 10. We get what? 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means what? Answer is 2. Are you following? Okay. So among this option, B is the correct answer. Are you following? Okay. Just remember. So I given the sums based on all the topic. Okay. I covered all the topic. I gave some sums. Actually, this is only one lessons in 11th standard. In this lessons, I split it. Okay. One is I gave 7 sums in ionic equilibrium. I gave 7 sums in chemical equilibrium. Okay. So then only I covered all the topics in this lesson. Okay. You just remember the formula. If you know this, you can use to solve the sums. Understood? This is the formula. You just keep in mind. This formula is very important. Okay. Are you following? Okay. Kc dash is equal to 1 by Kc. Okay. I hope you understood everything. Thank you, students. See you in the next class.